Okay, we have an Xbox One X. Supposedly no video output. HDMI port seems fine. So let's power it on and see what's going on. I will switch it to capture in just a second. Okay, so we clearly have no video output. I would suspect a retimer on this one, but we'll definitely check everything out first and go from there. Time to disassemble. Okay, let's do some looking around and see if we see anything obvious or measure anything obvious. First thing I want to do is get a good look at the HDMI port. I have no reason to believe there's anything wrong with it. Pins look good here. And I see nice fillets pretty much under all the pins. I just don't want to automatically assume it's the retimer, even though it's a pretty good bet. Oops, I'm on diode. There we go. So let's check everything just to make sure. Okay. Now I just want to make sure everything's going through. Okay, so all indications are we are getting signal to the retimer. I don't think it ever really presents in shorts. It's not like a switch or anything like that. At this moment, I think it's probably the retimer. We'll check these filters and stuff here too. Are you supposed to? Okay, we're getting signal through. So I would assume that's normal. Okay, so we're going to target our retimer chip. In this case, it would be the TDP 158. Okay, let's do one more visual inspection here. I'll give it a little more in-depth cleanup off camera. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Good. And good. And as y'all may have noticed, I am using a little bit of a different placement method. I was trying it out when the welder kind of lost some of its balls. So I was having to, so what I did was I warmed up the board after I had the chip off and cleaned everything. I warmed up the board until the solder was wetted, and then I placed the chip. I think I may start just using this method because it seems to work quite smoothly. A little less heat on the board, so at least in my opinion. Anyway, I'm going to clean this up a little more off camera, and then we'll throw it in the housing and bring it up for a test. Okay, I think we're ready to do some testing. See how we did. Okay. It's powering up. Let's fling it to the HDMI. Aha! That's a good sign. I'm going to grab my Xbox controller. This could be another one of those long boot up ones. So we'll sit here and wait. Or not. All right, looks like we did good. It was indeed the retimer chip. Everything seems to be working. So, and it's already in 1080p. So, all right, I think that's everything I have to show you in this one. Appreciate you watching. If you have any question about the equipment, it should be down in the description. I'm going to add the ATN to that description at some point when I remember to do so. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.